Alright, so the main thing you have to remind yourself for this is the denominator is the root. The denominator is the root, the denominator is the root. So for example here, if I wanted to rewrite this, I can write that as x to the third power is still the exponent, right? It's x to the third. However, what I have here is a denominator of 4, since 4 is in the root. So x to the 3/4. So it's asking though which is not equivalent. So this is actually equivalent. So that's not it. What else do we know is it doesn't matter if the 3 is on the inside or the outside. It doesn't matter if I do to the third power first or the fourth root first. It'll give you the same answer. So this one's equivalent also. Now here, remember properties of exponents. This is 3 times 1/4. If I have an exponent of an exponent, so 3 times 1/4 means I can multiply the top or 3 over 1 if you want, or multiply the top, divide by the bottom, you get 3/4, which is the same thing also. So this is also equivalent. And this is exactly the same thing, so this should be equivalent as well. So none of these were answers. None of them. So one thing maybe you may want to look out for is something like where they get these backwards. So maybe something like third x to the 4th. This would be wrong because, well, obviously the 4 is here and the 3 is there. You can't switch those around. Maybe something else that might be wrong is x to the 4/3, right? They put the wrong number in the denominator. Make sure it's the root goes in the denominator. But in this case, none of those showed up.